up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we got some gas station food that we're gonna try. Okay, so we went to Maverick gas station. We got a couple things. We got pizza, we got a chicken sandwich, and we got chicken tenders. So let's see how this is. I mean, I've had gas station food a couple times, you know, going on long road trips and whatnot. If that's what you get, that's what you get. Stop to get gas. Me too. That's what we get. So, King's Hawaiian chicken sandwich with Swiss cheese. So, let's see how this is. Hopefully I won't be doodling for the next 10 years after I try this thing. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all can see, because it's hard for me to see. But that's what the inside looks like, you know? Let's see. Don't taste half bad. I mean, if you're hungry and you get this, you're sure gonna eat it, but I don't know. It's not bad though. You wanna try it?
Yep. Not bad.
Yeah. I think it's okay.
Me too.
I'll probably give this one like a 6 out of 10.
And
It's not, but it's
I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. I think.
not your favorite.
It's kind of my favorite, but the thing on the chicken.
Oh, it's cheese, Swiss cheese. All right, so now we got the chicken tender snack box. Yeah, there we go. It's a little sweaty. I just got it out the warmer. I wonder if that means it's been sitting there for a while. I don't know. But there it is right there. I'll break this in half so we can both try it. Don't look too bad, huh?
It's good. 10 out of 10.
First of all, I give the chicken tenders a 7 out of 10. I think they use that seasoned breading that you find at the store, but the breading still tastes wet, like it didn't get enough time to cook. Yeah, I'll show y'all, because maybe you can see it. I don't know if it's easy to see, but that breading looks kind of wet, like right here. Yeah.
I can see it.
You know what? I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7 for that.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
And now we got the TJ loves chicken tenders and pizza. So with his review, I don't know. It's questionable, but pepperoni pizza. Let's see. So y'all can see how it looks. The sun is coming in. Oh, y'all, hold on. Alright, y'all. So we switched up a little bit so it's easier to see. So that's what that pepperoni pizza looks like. And be warned, like I said, TJ loves pizza. So he's probably gonna say, oh, it's amazing.
You sure I'm gonna say
He loves pizza and I don't, so that's another thing too. I don't like pizza, but I can tell you if it's good or not.
I'm gonna give that a 4 out of 10.
Why?
Because when I eat the bread, and then I can see the bread through.
What do you mean?
Like when I eat the bread, I can still see the bread.
Take a better bite and try again. I think he means the bread is too thick,
Yeah.
which I don't like when the bread is not thick. So if it's that I don't remember what you call that crust, but if it's real flat and it's a little hard, I don't like that. This kind of bread I do, but this pizza is not bad. I would give this probably another 7 out of 10.
Man,
Yeah.
I need it.
And I mean, I give it a 7 out of 10. I'm not a pizza person, but if I'm real hungry, I'll definitely get this. But I've had better. So this is why I'm saying I'll only give that a 7 out of 10. And then another pizza. This one is pepperoni pizza with sausage. So let's see.
Imagine if there was mushrooms.
We'll just use the same one because I feel like you're probably not gonna like this one either.
Me either.
For some reason, this one actually tastes way better. One, it tastes way more fresh.
That's good.
This I would actually give a 8.5 out of 10.
Well, I would give that a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, this one's pretty good. I mean, maybe this one tastes the way it does because it was probably sitting for a little while. Because if you look at it, the cheese looks dried on and stuff. So maybe that's why it tastes the way it does. So for that piece, yeah, for this one, the pepperoni with the sausage, I'll give that one a 8.5 out of 10. But overall for Maverick's food, let's see. The overall score I'd give them probably a 8 out of 10. I mean, if you average it, you probably ain't gonna get 8. But just saying, overall, the way everything is, yeah, I'd probably say I'll stick to giving them about a 8 out of 10 or so. Because it's not terrible. It's not terrible. Like, it's actually food that if I'm hungry, it will be an option. I'm not saying it's up top, but their food is not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. So, if you're ever hungry and you see a Maverick gas station, go ahead, test out their food. No, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just saying their food is not bad. So if you're hungry and you want to try it, there you go.
Wait, we didn't eat this one.
We did. That's the chicken sandwich. That's the first one we ate.
Oh.
So hopefully y'all like this video. Again, well, not again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. TJ likes their chicken tenders because look at him. But yeah, hopefully y'all like this video. Until next time.
Peace out.
There you go.